The Copper Wire Weight Interactive Calculator helps engineers quickly determine wire weights and specifications for electrical projects. Let's start with the drop-down menus. For calculation mode, you can choose Calculate Total Weight from Wire Gauge and Length, Calculate Maximum Length from Weight Limit, Estimate Gauge from Weight and Length, Calculate Mass per Unit Length, Calculate Bundle Weight for multiple conductors, or Estimate Material Cost from Copper Price. I'm using Calculate Total Weight. For length unit, you can select feet, meters, or inches. I'm using feet. For insulation type, options include bare copper, THHN/THWN thin, Romex/NM-B medium, or SOOW/SJOOW heavy. I'm selecting bare copper. Now the input fields. Wire gauge AWG is 12, length is 100 feet, total weight in pounds is 20, number of conductors is 3, and copper price per pound is $4.25. After clicking Calculate, here are the results. Conductor diameter is 0.0808 inches. Copper weight is 1.994 pounds. Insulation weight is 0 pounds since we selected bare copper. Total weight matches at 1.994 pounds. Mass per unit length is 0.0199 pounds per foot, and cross-sectional area is 0.005128 square inches. Find the link in the description below.